What's up guys, it's Charlie Boy here with another video of Rivals. And I'm gonna be playing with my boy Queen. Charlos. Oh, I keep saying Charlie Boy. I'm gonna be playing Rivals with my boy Queen. Queen, how many days is your Roblox account now? Two days? Actually, it's more than 2 days. Dude, let's go play ranked. Hell no, I'm not playing with you. Oh, I said ranked. 2v2. Sorry, 2v2. Dude, it's just 2v2. And yo, we're gonna be doing construction. And when I will go first, when I die, you take over. Okay? Hey, you're hearing now. You're listening to me now. What? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man, bro is the happiest man alive because it's not work. You know, in my country we call that person an agbaya. That's like you killed the RPG spam already. Yo, sniper. He shot me once. I know, but still. While I was fucking leaving. Yo. Where is he? Is bro running away? Oh my god, bro. Oh my. Who? You? Yeah, bro, I know, right? For sure. Dude, this girl is crazy. The other RPG one. Dude, don't touch her. She's mine. She's mine! Hold on. I said she... Get your ass over here. Let me whoop your ass real quick. I said she's mine. I said she was mine. Anything that ain't yours, ain't yours. You hear me, bruh? Oh, sniper. Dude. Oh, sniper. Oh, man. Me too. Wait, bro is coming down. Oh, I thought you meant you got so close to his knife stabbing you. Well, I did. I got real close. I could see it. Oh, sniper. Dude! Dude! How do I want to take care of myself? Yo! Huh? I killed a dude. The one shot? Bro was one shot. You know what? I'm passing round. I'm going to... Pow! Dude, I know. He's right here. Did you kill him? You killed him. So now, where's the girl that I said was mine? Was my dude, I swear to God, man. I wish I could hit my teammate. I'd have whipped your ass. Next. GG, motherfucker. Okay. Wait, really? Wait, really? How did he get there? Oh, come on. Dude, they're both PC. I know. Wait, Scythe. Nigga, bro is flying. Bro is straight up flying right now. What's his name? JCO. JCO. Report JCO. He's flying. Flying. Oh my god, bro. Tell me that they gon' like. Look how high bro is. Oh, dude, you're dead. I told you you're dead. Yo! Well played. Wait, he's level 41? It's not even the level. Bro is flying, bro can go through walls. What can bro do? Yo, fuck! Oh my fucking. Hey, hey! Did I died? I died. I pointed the first time! His name is JCO, right? They're both hot. Flying. Yeah, I reported both of them. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, we are gonna lose our win streak. That is for sure gonna happen.
Wait, I don't think it matters. Did you put the level 40?
Dude, yes, I put both of them. Oh shit, fuck, no good. Hold up. I'm about to die. Dude, he's hacking yet his aim is like so bad. Fuck. Oh guys, I kinda minimize my skin. I'm so used to that. Dude, we lost our win streak. Let's just. I have 82 keys. Hey, count the fuck down, bro. Hey, yo, down, bro, let's just take a chill pill. Let's just take a chill pill, you know? 8 minutes. No sniper. Imagine they hacking too. Dude, how did you know from the beginning that they were hacking? Wait, I didn't even see. Dude, I dealt no damage. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Damn bitch. I'm gonna whoop your ass next time. Oh, come on. Wait, they hacking? They hacking? Po. Bro in behind me. Bro in behind me. Where is he? Dude, I try to toggle and shit. It's just not for me. Dude, my aim? Yeah, no, my toggle aim sucked. It was toggle aim, I tried toggle aim. Pow! Dude, I messed both of them up. I'm going in with a fist. Oh shit, I can't. Oh, I'm going in with a fist. You know what? I'm just gonna go. Dude, my video got posted. My video got uploaded just now. Dude, my video got uploaded just now. Dude, Quinn has trained me in this kind of situation so many times. He trained me. You dumb bitch. Dude, my video got uploaded. Yay. Wait, which one? I know. This is the second time it's happened. Wait, it did it? Did it? Yes, it did. It did, bro. And it was the right one. That is so good. Dude, you died? Yo, sniper, everything's on me right now. Fist. Pow, pow, pow. I knew that was gonna get him. Can I still get him? Reload. Boom. You take me popping. Fucking ugly bitch. Oh! Tell me that I got him. Hey man, cut the fuck out. Dude, I was like, damn, this nigga about to shoot me. Pow! Yo, hey! Did I just die? Am I gonna die? I just killed him. Dude, you're with the sniper. Dude, I like that crash out. I like that. Bro fucking crashed out. Bro, you fucking crashed out. Ah! He's coming for me. Dude. Dude, it's okay. Leave them alone. No life, bro. Bro, you better. Yo, I'm frozen. Come help me. I'm unfrozen. Bro is like, I killed him. Dude, don't tell me that sniper is gonna kill you. Bro, you cannot tell me that sniper is gonna kill you. I'm coming in with a fist. Oh shit. Pow. No! Yo, let's finish this before they reach 3, then 4, then 5, and then we're dead. Let's just finish this fucking game. Yo, sniper, don't. Reload. Dude, let's go after sniper. Fuck. Oh, hey, oh my god. Yeah, let's go. Hey, I see. You see that? Oh, he's going up. Yo, look at this. Only, dude, you're crazy. Hey! Let's go! Dude, I'm way too good. I'm just way too good. Bro, let's already shoot sniper. Let's go! Sorry. slash nibs. Dude, I'm enjoying this. What is it? What is it? What are you saying? Dude, what the? Dude, what are you saying? What are you saying? Jesus Christ, man, you. Oh, you're fucking annoying, bro. I thought you were speaking in like your language or something. Tapu. Omo. Dude. Charlie Boy ain't there to help. Hey! Pow, 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 pow. If you do good things this time, I will know what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, I wonder what you are. Do you see the dude? Try to tell me that he's like here. No? Dude, I'm low, so if you see him. Hey, what the fuck are you singing? Yo. Oh man, I wanted to ambush the dude. I wanted to ambush the dude. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, I spy with my little eyes. Of big fat head, that's so high. Hey! I got him! And I'm gonna get you too. I'm gonna get you too. Yo, 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 yo. Your head so big like KSI's forehead. Nigga, I just died to someone with a spray gun. Ah, hell nah. Dude, dude, these guys, they're looking for trouble, bro. They're giving me a headache, bro. Hey! Hell no! Back, inside, side out, shoot. Dude, why you gonna leave me? Why you gonna leave me, bro? Average, dude, what are you saying? Now you're just straight up saying gibberish. Dude, sniper and dude, you better count off. Oh shit, he's putting on the medkit. Dude, medkit, medkit, medkit. Hell no! Yo, yo. Guys, I just canceled Roblox by mistake. I just, dude, you're on your own. Dude, you're on your. I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I am so. Just leave, leave. Yo, leave. Leave the. What? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Hold up, take a. Yo, hold up, dude. Take a chill pill. Take a chill pill. Oh my god. Dude, I'm playing with a level 155. Yo, you there? Oh, you there? Oh my god. I thought I lost you. But dude, seriously, it was a mistake. Yo, take a chill pill, bro, calm the fuck down. Calm the fuck down, bro. Hey, come on, man. I guess it's my cool to leave. Yo, Yo, Queen, you're still playing, right?
I just said F you in chat.
Yo, you could be banned. Bro, leave. What the fuck are you doing? Just leave. Yo, should we try playing all those what do they call it? What do they call it? Oh my god. Um Jesus Christ. Tycoon. Oh my god, bro. I forgot the name for a bit. Should we try playing Tycoon to see who can be the richest first? Did you quit? Yo, Queen. Queen, you're mad. Let's try playing a Tycoon to see who can. Dude, let's play a Tycoon. Dude, this dude just wrote the entire and he keeps spamming it. He keeps spamming it. You're kidding. You're kidding. Borrowed the entire song. Die with a smile. He wrote the entire lyrics. Die with a smile. He wrote the entire lyrics. He just keeps going. He keeps going. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna copy it and then keep pasting. Yo, you're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Can't trust you. Control V. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. I can't see text. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over, wait, let me sing it. I I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means. But since then but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love it. Yo. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a night. Yo, yo, this dude keeps spamming everything. Bro's just spamming. He's just spamming. Pow, pow. Yep. Your favorite what? Yeah. Shit, sorry. Dude, my other video was uploaded. Oh my god. My other video got uploaded. Bankila, bankila. Give me a booty, I pay for a butt. Like, baby girl, I wanna fuck. Like, Wait, it was your video that got uploaded, right? Bro, the, who's Sakitha? Bro, I'm just gonna be playing, I don't even know what to do. I'm just gonna play a little bit of Rivals, then I'm gonna run away. Then I'm gonna log off. 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 16 minutes. Dude, I need 14 more minutes of gameplay. And that is in the next 6 minutes and a few seconds. Can I take the rules? Uh, yeah, why? Do you wanna give somebody rules? Read rules. Pinging manager is not allowed. This dude he keeps spamming in my, oh my fucking god. I know, but you need to see what is going on. Oh my god. I have to turn off my notifications. Notifications? Nothing. Only messages. No! I chose Splash. Splash is the dumbest place that I want to be right now. Oh shit, bro. And he's using phone, so he's most likely using our shit. Yo, I'm gonna kill the dude. Should I push him? Guys, should I push? Guys, I kinda think I should push the dude. Hey, bro, leave. Hey, bro did leave. Yo, guys, fuck. Oh, shit, dude. Yo, Queen, you there?
Yeah.
Oh. The what? The what?
The rules of my server.
Wait, reading? Dude, don't do this. Don't. I'm just, no arguing, no scamming, no begging. Follow Discord CEOs and no doxing. No NSFW. Dude, why you gonna buy an NSFW? I'm just joking. No promotion service. Dude, I'm not sure I have rules on my server. This dude came out of nowhere. Bug, I'm gonna whoop your ass. You ain't seen none of me. Dude, he's level 29, I'm level 37, and I'm whooping his ass. Like, when I say whooping, I mean like serious whooping.
You know you have a man under penalty.
What? No, he's level 29, sir. Ooh, I see him. Boom. Dude, you should see the way I'm just headshotting. Yo, you should have seen that. I was like a barrage of headshot. Bro, run away, bro, run away. I sent in the grenade, and bro just died from me straight away. Now it's my turn to push. It's my turn to push the guy. I mean, he's pushed me enough, right? Guys, I'm so sorry. It was just my turn already, cause like I was tired of him pushing me. You should have seen him. He didn't know where I was. Yeah, I'm on my other account. Dude, what level were you? 87, right? I mean 37, right?
Yeah.
Oh, now I'm in 37. I'm just gonna play one more match against the level 57. Hey, just one more. I need 3 minutes left before I can stop my stream, my video, my recording, something. So I have to play this one match, win this 57 dude. But I thank God I'm not lagging. Oh shit, I kinda am. Oh, this is my turn, guys. My turn. My turn to show the dude what I'm made of. Hey, yo guys, you see this dude? Hacker, dude. He called me a hacker. Oh my god. Man, I love this. Dude, I love being called a hacker. He's a level 57 that died to a level. Yo! Oh my god. No, I fell off. Dude, I fell off the fucking map. You're in my server? Dude, do something for me. All my rules, could you help me update them? Yeah, my rules. No, the same way your server has rules. Yeah, like, I have no rules. Yeah, so I want you to put rules. Oh, come on. No, you know what? Never mind. I'm gonna do it myself in my free time. Huh, guess who's home? Dude, guess who's home? Guess who's home? Yo! This dude has to stop using the RPG. Oh, my time is up for recording, bro. But after I finish playing this match and one other match, I'm gonna stop recording. So you should. You need to make your video? How is that my problem?
Bro, 15%.
Dude, you can, but we don't have a lot of guns. That is the problem with that video. I thought about it. Second. Oh, 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 oh. Dude, I'm low. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's like straight up crazy. No! Guys, that was my plan to shoot him from there.
Yes. Okay.
No. Dude, I just killed him. Well, yeah, I'm losing to him. I'm losing to him. He's in 4. I just got to. He just called me a hacker. Dude, I love when he says that. It means he loves me. Oh shit, dude, I just. Oh my god, dude, if I keep running away from him, I'm gonna win because he hasn't landed a single hit on me. So if I keep running away, pow! I just killed the dude. Dude only did 10 damage. I just killed him, and he's using RPG. He called me a hacker. Dude, I'm loving this. He's trying to use my strat. that I used for him. I just threw a grenade. I'm about to kill my guy. Pow! No, hell nah. Hell nah. Boom. Boom, boom. Why did I laugh like that? Why did I laugh like that? Bro said aimbot. Bro said, I'm not gonna reply to anything. Ooh, bro's down. Bro went down. Bro went down. Fuck. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Dude, I just died. No, and it was 4-4. Now it's 5-4. Dude. A rematch. I should have asked him for a fucking rematch. Hey, level 184? Hell no. Bro saw me, he ran away. Bro knows that. Level 57. Wait, Queen, you're back. So, hey, no, I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I am not playing with you. Ever. I'm not playing with you. You're... Dude, I'm not playing with you. Nowhere. Random maps, yes. But against other people. We are just gonna, we don't want to choose random maps. What do you mean? Dude, do I really wanna do this? I'm thinking about my life choices. Do I really wanna do this? Random. Oh, fine. Guys, hear that? We're doing... Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Dude, Me too, but you're still better than me. Dumbass. Oh fuck. Shit fuck. Where are you? Where the fuck? I don't even wanna... No, dude, default loadout, default. Cooking me? What you wanna do? Roast me next? What you wanna roast me, boy? You wanna roast me, boy? Dude, where are you? Seriously, man. Oh, that was nice. Headshot twice. I see where you are. No! No! Shut up, man. Hell no. Hell no, you're not. Dude, I don't know. In this map, there is like no secret place that you can attack from. No secret place at all. Oh shit, dude. I know, but I did. I did not. Wow, wow. Oh, oh, that was nice. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. Pop, 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 pop. Dude, why do I keep laughing like that? Why do I keep laughing? Dude, that was nice. That was like, dude, I see you. I see you. I see you, and I don't want no beef with you. But still, I'm gonna look for beef with you. Because I wanna eat beef with you. Hey, what's up, bro? Hey! Dude! No! No! Dude, don't troll me. Don't do it. Don't do it, bro. I'm just telling you. No, for your sake, don't try it. I'm gonna whoop your ass if you do. I'm just trying to warn you. Get what I'm saying? I don't want beef with you, bro. I want meat with you. Dude, I tried to throw a grenade, but the grenade came right back at me. Dude, what the fuck are you? Dude, I'm on the roof. Wait, you see me? Yo! Fuck! Dude! Dude, you're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding. Again. Again. Again! Wait. Let me settle this business between this guy. Let me just settle the business. I think this is the dude that wanted to play with me. That 57. Random. Yo. Dude. Wait, this place? Dude. I got you. Then don't go anywhere. Cause I'm always in the tunnel, bruh. I'm always in the tunnel, bruh. What, you see me peeking? Huh? You see me? Exactly. You cannot see me, bro. Did he touch you? I thought. Hell no. Hell no. You. Wait, I just opened another app. I swear to God, I just opened. Dude, default loadout. Jesus Christ. Oh, dang it. Wait, fist only. Pow. Hey! Yo, next round is just fist. Mainly fist. Oh yeah. Next round is fist, bro. Fist. Where are you? Oh yeah, bro. Come at me. Come at me if you know that you're up for it. Psych! Oh shit! I tried to pull a one on you, man. Yeah. It's so unhealthy, you know. Yeah, they know. Ah! Yo, how the hell did you get there? Yo, and I wasted my bomb already. I wasted my bazooka. Ah, fuck. Um. Okay. I didn't know that you were coming. I swear I did not know you were coming. No! No! Dude, I'm not playing with you. I'm never playing with you again. Never, ever, ever, ever. Dude, no, after this. Nice. I'm not playing with you. Hell no. Hell no. I prefer playing with a level 200 than to play with a level U. Hell no, man. Just leave me. Leave me like this. I like. How are you? Dude, we're gonna team up after this match. You're level 39, I'm level 38, so you just leave me be, okay? Oh, I see you. Hi, let's go. Oh shit. What? Now you're gonna call me a hacker? Ah. Oh man, I love this game. Don't you? Oh, I see you. Dude, I think we got him again. Might be? Dude, you're cooked. Oh my god, I keep... Oh, you're dead. You're gone. I'm so sorry for you, man. Dude, you really are gone. You really. Guys. Guys, I kind of stopped my recording there, but... Wait, I didn't get him? Dude, really? I'm in 38. Oh, jeez. Dude, hold up. I'm just with this guy's asses. Yo. Oh, okay, I seen him. Boom. Yo, he's gone, he's gonna... Wait, you guys saw that, right? I dropped down before he killed me. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Dude, I'm going for the ambush. Wait, what? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, dude, I hate this player. You know, I'm just gonna whoop his ass. I'm just gonna do it. Dude, that's it. I'm pushing him. I'm pushing him. Oh my god. What, you think I'm a calm level 38 player? Hell no. I'm crazy. Let me just tell you that one. Yo, 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 yo. Boom, bitch. Dude, ah. When I get to 40, I'm gonna stop playing. No, I don't like the playground. They play too much. Uh, guys, I'm just gonna quit, you know, untimely. Cause I'm not really in the mood anymore, so I'm gonna post this video like this. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Subscribe. Bye.